Welcome! Today we'll explore AresourcePool's social media strategy aimed at boosting online presence, engagement, and quality leads, while strengthening brand visibility and client relationships. Let's begin.
We'll cover four key areas: an introduction to social media strategies, best practices for creating engaging content, using data analytics to optimize performance, and leveraging collaborations with influencers and brands to amplify reach. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Sophia, a social media strategist with over 8 years of experience helping brands grow their online presence. Throughout my career, I've led successful campaigns, including one that increased engagement by 45%, earning the Best Social Media Campaign Award in 2021. My work has been featured in leading marketing publications like Marketing Today, and I specialize in content creation, analytics, and influencer collaborations. I'm excited to share my insights with you today. Effective social media strategies are built on four key points: engaging your audience with consistent, authentic content to foster trust, leveraging analytics to optimize strategies and maximize impact, collaborating with influencers to expand visibility and credibility, and adapting to trends to ensure your content stays relevant and engaging. These principles are essential for driving growth and meaningful connections across platforms. To succeed on social media, focus on these three key points. First, engage your audience with authentic, consistent content that builds trust and loyalty. Second, leverage analytics to track performance and optimize your strategy for better results. And third, collaborate with influencers to increase your reach and credibility, tapping into their loyal follower base. These three actions are fundamental to driving growth and engagement. Let's focus on two essential points for social media success. First, engage your audience by sharing authentic, consistent content that fosters trust and encourages interaction. Second, leverage analytics to measure your performance and fine-tune your strategies, ensuring you're always optimizing for better results and deeper engagement. Over the past quarter, we've seen a 45% increase in revenue. Revenue grew 45% last quarter due to strategic social media, targeted content, and stronger engagement, proving its business impact. Thanks to strategic social media campaigns, targeted content, and improved engagement. This growth highlights the power of a well-executed social media strategy in driving tangible business results.